Hey y'all, so today I'm doing short passion twists. I use 12-inch Freetress Jazz Water hair, and I want to say I had about 30, 30 parts, and it took me about 4 to 5 hours. I did take breaks in between, but as you can see right now, I have washed and detangled my hair, and I'm finna go in and blow dry it out in sections so that my parts are really neat and that my hair blends with the passion twist hair and doesn't um look look funny. Dang, I look like Wendy's black cousin. But as you can see, I'm stretching the hair out on my rack. I don't know what it's called. If I can find the link for it, I'll put it in the description box down below. But I use three pieces on each twist. Some pieces I think I used four, but that's where my hair was like thinner, so like along my edges. But where my hair was thicker, I used three pieces. So I put my hair into four sections. Um, well, three sections, two in the front and one in the back. I went ahead and I parted, and when I parted, I used rubber bands to tie off the parts, and I made sure that the rubber bands I used were covered in oil because this helps with breakage once I take the style out. I have already taken the style out. I got about 3 weeks out of it. I could have got longer if I would have did a touch up, but I was tired of it and I wanted to switch up my hair. But I did like it. It did have a nice little longevity, especially for it to be done within like four hours on myself. So if somebody else was to do this style, it should only take like 2 hours, maybe a little less, 2 hours and 30 minutes. But as you can see, I'm parting my hair, making sure my parts are all neat. I did bigger parts in the back, I believe, because I mean, it's the back of my head. Nobody was going to really see it but me. So I didn't really care, you know? But I'll come back when I'm putting the twist in. So as y'all can see, I already did one twist to test it out. So what I did is I added the passion twist hair as if I was doing a box braid. And then once I got to maybe about 4 to 5 like I braided it 4 to 5 times, I split the hair in half, as you can see me doing now, and I added some Shine Jam to my hair, and I started to twist. It took me a minute to figure out if I was going to twist right over left or left over right. But I think at the end, I just decided to do a tight twist. It didn't really matter which direction I did it. So my direction kind of switches up. But if you do want a certain look, then I would definitely recommend testing out right over left and left over right to see what kind of twist style you like more. And then that way you can do your whole head like that. So that's pretty much it for this style. It's fairly easy. I know some people crochet it through, but I try to avoid crocheting hair through just because I just don't like it. But I'm just doing this over and over throughout the video. So I will come back towards the end of the video when there are results. If you want to see pictures of this hairstyle, I do have them up on my main page at it's Kamari underscore. Maybe. It's something like that, y'all. I don't know. I just changed it. But if you guys want more videos like this or want me to go into more detail or have any what's the word? Y'all, what's the word? Recommendations? Yeah. Or tips, then please feel free to comment down below. If you want more videos like this, then please subscribe and like the video. And I will see you guys towards the end. Okay, y'all, so I finished, and now I'm using my Lottabody foam, and I'm pretty much just getting any flyaways. It really just adds a little shine to the hair. It feels good on the scalp, that type of thing. I'm just doing that, rubbing it through, and then I blow dried it at the end. I don't know if I showed that on camera, but right now you just see me doing a lot of foam on my head, y'all. Like, this is my favorite foam. Like, I really love this foam, and I use an excessive amount on myself just because it makes me feel good inside. Like, it makes my heart feel warm. So that's what I decided to do. Some of them were a little bit longer than I wanted, so I put a rubber band on the end and I cut it where the rubber band I put it at, where I put the rubber band, that's where I cut it at. And then that was pretty much it. Like, y'all, I'm done. If the back of my head looks a little crazy, again, it's because I didn't care to like really part the back of my head in a really neat way, because I knew that I was going to be wearing this hairstyle up most of the time anyways, and that nobody was going to be seeing me because I be in my house 24/7. So it really didn't make no difference to me. But dang, I said but like 5 times, y'all. But dang, there I go again. Anyways, I hope you guys like this style. At the end, I show some clips of me kind of being like somewhat cute, I guess, if that's what you want to call it, with the little passion twist. But I really did like this style. Like, I did. It was a really nice style. And it was really quick, like super quick. It only took me so long because I was like messing around. It was my first time doing it. But like if I was to do this style again, I could have it done in like 2 hours. 2 hours and 30 minutes. Max 3. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, if you like what you see, like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't like what you still see, then still like, comment, and subscribe. But comment what you would like to see in the next video. Okay? Oh, there I go. Showing the little cleavage. Yes, ma'am. And then that's my sister in the background. Hey, sis. I was putting accessories in. I actually ended up taking most of the accessories out later on, just because like when I started to put it up, they got in the way. But they was cute while they was in there. But dang, I keep saying but, y'all. I'm sorry. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoyed. Follow me at Braided Hands. That's my hair page. And I'll see y'all in the next video.